Hello, and welcome to Ohio Gozaimasu, THK Manufacturing of America's series on Japanese language and culture. In episode 5 of season 2, we will be learning some more sentence final particles. Before we get into the new material, however, we have some things to review. Let's take a look.
First, let's review and learn some vocabulary. Repeat each word after the native speaker.
これ、それ、この、その、魚、ペン、はい、いいえ、暑い、寒い、おいしい、まずい、娘、奥さん、今日、娘さん。
We have already learned one sentence final particle, ka, in episode 2, to form questions. To form a question in Japanese, you simply add particle ka to the end of any sentence. Because, in Japanese, word order for questions does not change as it does in English.
Now take a look at the following sentences that use this vocabulary. Try to guess the English translation of each before it is given to you.
これは車です。この魚は美味しいです。今日は暑いです。この人は娘さんです。これは車ですか？この魚は美味しいですか？今日は暑いですか？この人は娘さんですか？
Again, ka functions like a question mark without the need to change word order. We may not have these sentence final particles in English, but we can understand ka with this question mark comparison. Technically, ka is an indicator of information that the speaker does not know but wishes to find out. This way of thinking will help us learn 2 other sentence final particles today, as ka is not the only particle. All final particles, while they may not carry specific meaning on their own, say something about the information at hand between the speaker and a listener.
We encourage you to go back and review the topics today if you struggled, because today we'll be building up on these topics. Timestamps for the topics covered in today's video will be found in the video's description box.
The particle yo can come at the end of a sentence. It's like a spoken exclamation point. It means, pay attention to this. This is what's important. This is not what you were expecting.
This particle indicates information that the speaker knows, but doesn't think the listener does, or, as Casey said, information that the speaker would like to emphasize. Because it doesn't have any specific meaning on its own, it will be translated in different ways. Let's take a look.
これは車ですか？
Now, what if it isn't? The person you are speaking to is showing you that they expect the object to be a car, By offering a different answer, you can assume it would be unexpected and can therefore mark this information with yo. Yo is often found at the end of sentences in which corrected information is offered.
Let's look at some more examples. Pay attention to what yo is emphasizing and try to translate the response for each one before it is given. No, actually, that fish is bad tasting. No, today is cold, you know? No, actually, that person is his wife.
You can also find the sentence final particle ne at the end of sentences. This particle is like the Canadian e. It means that you are seeking confirmation, you're agreeing with something, or you expect your listener to agree. When someone ends a sentence in ne, you can respond with "そうですね." That's right.
This particle indicates information that both the speaker and the listener know, or some information that they share, but the speaker is seeking for confirmation. It can also be translated in different ways, like the particle yo. Let's look at an example.
Now, using similar sentences to the ones we have seen earlier, pay attention to how ne is used.
この魚はまずいですね。今日は寒いですね。この人は奥さんですね。
Fill in the correct final sentence particle and other words according to the prompts.
Join us next time for a review of months and for a lesson on days of the month. And don't forget to leave any questions that you have in the comments below, and like and subscribe so that you don't miss a lesson.
Mata ne!